Hello viewers, today I will put you through how to use the reverse image search by BitCrunch. For those of you who don't know BitCrunch is a blockchain technology company founded in 2020. They specialize in analyzing data and identifying fraudulent activities on NFT space. Back to the purpose for this video. BitCrunch launched UnleashNFT that allows you to do a lot. For today, I will simply be walking you through on how to utilize the amazing reverse image search feature on UnleashNFTs.com to search for NFT. Let's see how that's done in action. So you can go over to your Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and you can visit UnleashNFT.com/BitCrunch-image-search. And once you're in, you can see reverse image search. So basically what you do here is you can input an image file, a photo of an NFT, and then gather data on that NFT, just like how you search on Google, but in this case you're doing it on UnleashNFT.com. So you can head over to explore, and then you come over here. I'll open this in a new tab and come down here and you click on all collections. Of course, you can get this image from any other NFT outlet. Which one do we go with? Let's go here. So you could just download this image here, over here, or you could maybe go to the Twitter handle and get any other image that is there. Let's go with this. Let's go with this. Save that. Then you come back to the UnleashNFTs.com, and then you can see this right here. So select it. Then it's processing. That will take some time depending on your network, your internet speed rather. So just have some patience. And here we are. So you can see there are lots and lots of similar NFTs here, and there are lots of information you can get from it. You can see there are different blockchains. So just look at this. So if you look on this, you can see the information, the token ID, the date mined, the rarity rank, and the address. So the price and all of that, the whole time. So you could virtually get informed by doing this search. So I hope you get to use this new feature and put it to good use, and make some extra bucks. Thank you very much.